Hey guys, I had to make this video because of how impressed I was with the crystal heart I ordered from 3dcrystal.com. I got it for my girlfriend as a memorial gift after her doggy and best friend passed away. Malibu was a special dog who will always be in her heart. The image is very clear and beautiful. It really brings it to life. So I ordered it from 3dcrystal.com. The heart came in about 3 days. It was packaged very nicely. And I went with the large because this is a very special item that will be treasured for the rest of her life. Now the heart, as amazing as it is itself, when you pair it with the rotating light base, it is even that much more breathtaking. And I really cannot emphasize enough how crazy the detail is. Now, they aren't paying me to say this. The detail is really the best out there on the market. I think it's magical how the same image is on both sides. And when you just see it in the light, there's really nothing else like it. I am extremely satisfied with what I ordered. The customer service, they were very nice too. If you're looking for a gift for any occasion, Christmas, birthdays, special event, whatever it may be, I highly recommend to go check out 3dcrystal.com. I really don't think there's any way you could be disappointed.